Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi11i, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and the volume up together. Now, when you see the Mi logo, you can let go of the keys and simply wait for the recovery mode to pop up. And there we go. Now in this mode you will need to use the volume keys to navigate through this, and there's only like two different options as you can see. So we have the wipe data option and connect with Mi Assistant, and simple reboot which just leaves this mode. So as you can see, you navigate using volume keys, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So I'll select reboot, confirm it, and reboot to system, which will now take me back to Android. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.